गारुडशैलमध्ये कृपावशात् कल्पितसन्निधानं लक्ष्म्या समालिङ्गित वामभागं लक्ष्मीनृसिंहं शरणं प्रपद्ये निरवद्यानां निषद्यां गुणसम्पदां शरणं भवभीतानां षठकोपमुनीश्वरम् वेदान्तदेशिकयतीन्द्रकटाक्षलब्धत्रय्यन्तसारमनवद्य गुणम्बुदाग्र्यं नारायणाख्य यतिदुल्यकृपाभिषिक्तं श्रीरङ्गनाथ यतिशेखरमाश्रयामः। अस्मद्गुरुपरम्पराभ्यां नमः। सुदिनमेतत्। Today is an auspicious day of Varaha Jayanti, Chitrai Revati. Ahobilam is an Avanarasimha Kshetram. Nrsimha Swami is worshipped in 9 forms here. Among the 9 forms of Narasimha, the 4th form of Narasimha worshipped in Ahobilam is Kroda Varaha Nrsimha Swami. Varaha and Narasimha are the 2 avatars of 2 incarnations of Sri Mahavishnu that took place in a same yuga, Krita Yuga. Jaya and Vijaya of Sri Vaikuntha Nagara took birth as Hiranyaksha and Hiranyakashipu, and Lord killed them in the form of Varaha and Narasimha. Hiranyaksha was killed by Varaha and Narasimha, and Bhudevi was rescued in Varaha Avatara. During the time of Varaha Avatara, Hiranyaksha, the demon, took Bhudevi and put her in Samudra Garbha, in an ocean. Lord Mahavishnu appeared in the form of Varaha Nrsimha and brought Bhudevi from the Samudra Garbha on his teeth, which we call it as Kora. At that time of Varaha Avatara, Bhudevi is asking one question to Varaha Nrsimha. Oh Lord, whether you rescue my child, the Nara of this Loka, all the Jivas of this Loka, in the same way as you saved me. Then the Lord is is taking an oath to save all the Jivarasis on this Loka, saying, Aham smarami madbhaktam nayami paramam gatim. Bhudevi is asking whether you save this loka, this jivarasis, the same way as you saved me. Then Lord is saying, even when a person is resting as a stick among different wood, right? At the time of our funeral, we will be laid on a bed of wood. We don't have any movements, we don't have any prana shakti in our body. So our body will be like a dead wood. Even at that time, it is me who will think about my devotee. When the devotee is in a stage where he even cannot think about the Lord, then at that time also, Lord himself is remembering, thinking about his own devotee, and he is blessing the divine Sri Vaikuntha Loka. Aham smarami madbhaktam nayami paramam gatim. Tatu samye mrinayantu kashta pashana sannibham. When he is resting like a wood, at that time, it is me who is resting, who is thinking like thinking about the devotee. Such a great karuna Lord Varaha Nrsimha Swami have on all of us. Today is Chitra Revati, the auspicious day of Varaha Jayanti. However, the entire world is under threat of coronavirus. Everybody is in a defensive mood. So we don't know what will happen to us in future. This is the right time for us who are resting, taking rest in lockdown period, to think about Varaha Nrsimha Swami every now and then, and we can feel safe by chanting the Varaha mantra, Varaha Charama Shloka. In Ahobalam, which is also a Varaha Kshetra, the 4th form of Nrsimha offered here, receiving prayers here is Varaha Nrsimha. Today we are going to perform a Sudarshana Nrsimha Homa, in which Varaha Bijakshara is also chanted. And this Varaha Narasimha Swami, Tasya Yajna Varahasya Vishnor Amita Tejase Pranamam Yebhi Kurvanti Teshamapi Namo Namaha. This is the place where Varaha Narasimha is getting Vedas from the clutches of Somakasura. Somakasura is a Daman who theft all the Vedas from Brahma. Then Brahma is praying Lord Mahavishnu. Mahavishnu appeared before the Somakasura in a form of Varaha, killed him, and he saved all the Vedas. Then the Vedas are doing tapas here in a form of mountain. Hence they took the form of Vedadri, a mountain. At the foot of Vedadri hills, in a cave, Varaha Narasimha is even residing today. One of his feet is in Patala Loka. You can see the Moolavar in Garbhagriha here in Varaha Kshetra. Such a great Jnanabiran is the name given to Varaha Narasimha Swami in our Sampradaya. He is the deity for all the Vedas, Upanishads. Such great Varaha Narasimha Swami is worshipped on this auspicious Varaha Jayanti. All the devotees who are residing in their own houses, please at least chant now, at least think about, at least pray Varaha Narasimha Swami, at least today, because it is the Varaha who can save us from this crisis. And especially Varaha Aradhana is very famous in India, because Shastra says Na Vishnu Deva Prithvi. Those who want to become the owners for the land, that is kings, they have to offer prayers to Varaha Narasimha Swami. Without Varaha's worship, they can't claim right over the land. That is why, if you have a study of our history, Indian history, many great kings and their kingdoms have the symbols or emblem of Varaha as their Rajachihna. The royal emblem of all these kingdoms are, that is like Guptas, Western Chalukyas, and Kakatiya Prataparudras, even Vijayanagara Chakravartis. All these kingdoms have Varaha as their royal emblem, and they ruled this land for more than centuries. That is more than 300 to 400 years they ruled this kingdom, this great land Bharata Bhumi. That is why the significance of Varaha Aradhana in our Sampradaya, we always have three deities, Varaha, Narasimha, Hayagriva, as a Trimurti in our Sampradaya. And among the three, it is the Varaha Narasimha who is first to be receive our prayers. So all are requested to offer prayers to Varaha Narasimha Swami in their own houses. And we here in our Ahobalam, as per the orders of the Peethadipati, we are performing this Homa, and which was followed by Abhisheka. So everybody resting in their homes, Irupidam, Vaigundam, Vengadam, feel this as that wherever you reside, you are in your homes, you feel that your house itself is an Ahobalam, and chant Varaha Narasimha mantras which you know. If not, at least think about Varaha Narasimha's lotus feet, and or at least read the Varaha Purana or the Purana Charitra of Bhudevi's rescue by Varaha Narasimha, and be safe in your houses. May Varaha Narasimha Swami bless all of us and save us from this health crisis. Let the world be saved. Sarve santu sikinaha, sarve santu niramaya, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschit dukbhag bhavet. Varaha kunde medhinyai varamartha pradayine dantalagnya hiranyaksha damsta simhaya mangalam. Ahobila guhavasa vasollafita vasine aftulakshmi nృసింహాయ nityashri nityamangalam. Sri Shathari Yatindradi Yogi Hritpadma Bhanave Sarvatra Paripurnaya Ahobileshaya Mangalam. Sarvam Shri Ahobila Lakshmi Nృసింహార్పణమస్తు. Ahobilam, Ahobalam.